Mama, can you take a video of me? Can you take a video of me?
Hold on tight. Sarah. She look late. Yeah. Oh, you want to do a video on the phone? Okay, we'll soon do one. Come closer, please. Show teeth. Teeth. Like your one? Closer, Papa. Sarah, peekaboo. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Can we do the video now?
Tell her you're walking in her way. Sarah, come. Sarah, come. She loves stopping at this thing. Sarah. Sarah, peekaboo, bye bye. 1 A B C D, Mama. Come on. Come on. Come. Come. Alright. C'est quoi ça?
Give it to Papa.
C'est quoi ça,
C'est du
papa?
poulet.
No, I say give it, Papa. Not
Yes, that's
say,
chicken.
Papa. Say, give it to Papa.
Why you do this? Why you don't do what the man tell you to do?
Hi viewers, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's Emancipation Day in JA. So of course the whole family is decked out in black, green and gold this morning. And we're heading out. We're gonna have a long day on the road because I have a few stuff that I want to do today. One, I need to go to a little clothes shopping. Then I need to go supermarket shopping. Then we need to go to a house store. So we're gonna do all of that right now. As you guys can see, the princess and everybody else is doing well. Let me show you her strapped in. It's her nap time, so she's ready to go. Sarah, say morning to the face. Say morning, 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 pretty, pretty girl. In our Jamaican dress. You try with Minnie? The boys ran back inside real quick because Tyler didn't pee-pee before he left and he wanted pee-pee. So we're gonna head out on the road right now. So have a good day and I'll catch you guys with the rest of the family in a bit. Shopping, put on back your mask. We're in Primark. Shopping is done. Yeah?
Can do that?
No, your hand dirty.
She got teeth.
Fella, leave her. Tyler, go with Papa. Go to Papa. Okay. Uh-huh. The boys gone down on the escalator. You can see them from here. There they are. And we taking the elevator. In here is empty though. They have a lot of space to walk and to shop, and you don't have to worry about a lot of people, and it's sale period. Everything is on sale. Lunch stop at Burger King. Put on your mask. Hungry? Ready for your lunch? Yeah. Lunchtime. Tyler, as usual, never changes.
No.
Papa, as usual, little sandwich, never changes. Mama have her salad, never changes. Oh, that looks good, honey. Yes. I'm sorry, you're having your usual? Yes, Mama, I'm having my usual. Soon change, like Tyler.
Never change.
Yes. In the supermarket, picking up a few goodies before we.
Hunting for food.
We're hunting for food before we head home. It's the last event of the day. Your donut tie is right here, so we see it down there. It's down there, maybe. Come.
What do you want here?
Anything for barbecue? We have some sausage.
We have sausage?
Yeah, we have like one of the small things because we had a big pack and we only had some out of it last week. So some in the freezer. So get merguez, on not viande,
Like what?
peut-être le porc ou tu veux? Oui, peut-être.
Like this.
Non.
Everything.
Il y a ça comme ça déjà à la maison. Non, pour moi ça c'est bon. Allez, c'est parti.
Mama,
Oui.
how they have the fish?
Oh, who have the fish?
They cook a fish
Who?
and to make the fish come.
What do you mean? I don't understand what you mean.
How we make
Eggs,
the
les
fish
yeux.
come?
Pick up this.
Comment tu mets?
Pour Sarah, oui. Pour Tyler, non. Il y a 3 batailles derrière. Non. Pour Sarah?
Milk. I don't have uniform blue. I
Yeah.
don't need them.
No, you don't need any uniform. On va chercher le lait pour Sarah.
I found milk over there.
Non, pour Sarah. Ça, pour Sarah. C'est combien, toi? Ok. Ok, bébé. Tu vas chercher le
Le coup.
le savon pour le...
C'est deux.
Non, pour le lave-vaisselle.
Lave-vaisselle.
Oui. Et l'autre,
L'autre.
le bouteille.
Pour la vaisselle
Oui,
et le lave-vaisselle.
oui. Les deux.
Combien de bouteilles? Il y a
Une bouteille et en boîte.
Mais ça sent mieux.
Non, papa, il le prend déjà.
J'ai pas vu.
Regarde.
J'avais pas vu.
Tu as vu maintenant? Regarde.
J'ai vu maintenant.
Ok.
Unmute yourself, please.
You want to unmute themselves?
Yes.
Really?
What unmute means?
Unmute means you can't hear them and you want to hear them, so you need them to speak up. But this is not Zoom. They can't unmute themselves. Then I just look at the camera and say, Babes, unmute yourself. Oh my god, that's a good one. Babes, unmute yourself. You hear the kid. Unmute yourself. Come babe, jump in. Quick supermarket talk.
You do it better than I.
Hmm?
You do it better than me.
Don't play.
Papa, let's do crazy.
No, you're crazy, Papa is not crazy.
Let's take the right thing.
You guys, we just got back from the supermarket and we're gonna do the
No,
haul and then-
hello to our studio space.
So why you have a Jamaican shirt today, Tyler?
Couch.
Because it's how I don't know.
Yes, you know.
Because this is Jamaica fancy me today.
Is Jamaica what?
Fancy me today and everybody.
It's Sesame Day.
What is
It's
sesame?
Jamaica Emancipation Day.
What is
Tell them.
sesame?
Tyler.
What is sesame?
I don't
In
know.
Jamaican expression, the
It's
sesame.
No, I
Jamaica
don't know.
Emancipation Day. Say it.
Emancipation.
Right. That's what he was trying to remember. Sesame.
Sesame today.
Anyway, let's jump in the
That's a good one.
Sarah is done for her nap because her nap time will reach home just at the point for her nap time. So we're gonna give you guys this haul and crash on the couch before we get back to you. So let's go. Alright. C'est quoi ça?
Give it to Papa.
C'est quoi ça,
C'est du
papa?
poulet.
No, I say give it, Papa. Not
Yes, that's
say
chicken.
Papa. Say, give it to Papa.
Why you do this? Why you don't do what the man tell you to do? Tell her mama not listen.
Yes, you don't.
She don't listen.
And I'm gonna cry for that. I said to give it to Papa. I don't want you to ask Papa no question. I want you to give it to Papa. Okay, Papa.
That's
Moi, je veux.
okay. What is that, Tyler? Cereal.
Moi, je vais dire.
What is that?
No, I do not do it.
Des carottes.
Papa, me.
Carrot.
Carrot pour Sarah.
Yes, it's carrot that.
What
Yes.
is that?
De la pomme.
This is de la pomme. No, c'est la pomme sur le paquet. It's
Ziploc bag.
apple on the package. You not have a Ziploc
It's
bag.
not in here.
Ça c'est du chocolat.
Yes, chocolate cereal bar. Is
No, it's not only chocolate.
oh, what is that?
This is
Hot dog bread. Lot of garbage bags. So if Tyler not nice, I put a garbage bag for all of his toys. We have a lot of garbage bag to put your toys in. That's Madeleine. Babe love Madeleine. She turned French, I tell you. This is
younger. It's lemon.
lemon for who?
Everybody.
I'm gonna put one in the
Everybody.
freezer right now to make it extra
Oh,
cold.
me feel thirsty now. Me feel thirsty, so what we have here, we have some barbecue food. We love to do barbecue. When she don't want to cook,
This
we do
is,
barbecue.
I don't know what that is. That is fish.
Tropical oasis, and some fries for Tyler.
No,
Tyler.
this is potato. It's made of potato.
Yes, he made of potato. How do you know that? You learn it at school?
No, I just know that. And Ryan.
On Ryan, oh, Ryan teach you.
I love watch Ryan.
I teach you.
Yes.
What we have? We have
Oh,
some
that's chocolate.
cookies.
No, some
Hey
chocolate.
guys, it's not me that took the cookies. Tyler, trust me, believe me.
Apple juice.
Apple juice because Mama says she loves apple juice. We have some yogurt for Sarah, for Papa, for
Ice
Pear yogurt.
cream.
We have
That's
some.
cereal.
No, this is for
Cereal.
salad.
It's cereal.
No,
Oh,
it's
this
bird
is
It's
salad.
bread for
cereal.
Sarah.
Cereal. It's cereal.
What is that?
Spaghetti.
It's spaghetti. No, this is meat to go with the spaghetti if you want. We have some grape, no seed grape. That's the condition for the family.
Bread.
to eat it.
Chocolate bread.
Breakfast for Papa.
If grapes have seed, we don't buy it.
We have legume for Sarah. I find the deal, guys. Sometimes I like to stick to the same brand. Sometimes I change, and sometimes you have to look in the supermarket, buy one, get one for free. So this is what I did today. I buy one and I get one for free. If I was in Jamaica, I will have three. Because Jamaica always do deal on three. We have some cashew. That's why babe, she still think after 10 years she's in Jamaica. She will take three of everything, and then they tell her, you have three, you have no discount special. And she said, oh, sorry.
You're not telling them why I
Plate. Bowl. Bowl. That's a bowl.
Oh, that's babe. What is that? Is for when Tyler go doo doo and is extra stinky. We need to
Yes.
put this.
Who do the most in the house? Who go to the toilet the most?
Papa.
And who to do the stinkiest?
You.
That's
No.
not true.
No, you do the caca the most. Sarah do the most stinky.
We have apple juice. Well, I don't know if it's her, but it's a woman.
Bear with me.
So, as somebody know. We have some chicken,
Oh, some salmon.
some fish.
No, salmon.
Salmon is not a fish.
No, that's
We have only somebody that don't smell good have this.
This thing that don't smell good.
I didn't even say it's you, so while you're cracking up, you can say at least, oh, it's not me, maybe it's Tyler.
That is the most stinky.
Alright, Tyler, it's finished.
What is going on in this house? I have no
It's
idea.
Sarah that smells stinky.
Don't always blame Sarah. Alright, guys.
Give me the answer that you want.
I'm thirsty.
You guys, those are all the little things that we got at the supermarket haul.
What are ready? This long time girl, we never see you go.
This long time we never see you.
So make me hold your hand.
Connect me on your hand.
Very good, very good.
Yes.
Say yes, yes, yes.
Yes, 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 yes.
Ready?
Go like this, go like this.
Alright, go Tyler. Peel it, drum, cross, sit down, country, top. Say that don't get ready. Peel it, drum, cross, sit down, country, top. Go.
Pila and jump.
Let's go again. Peel it, drum, cross, sit down, country, top. Ready?
Pila and jump.
Sit down, country, top. Alright, good, you try. Alright?
You guys, it's Tyler's bedtime, and of course he will not go to bed without reading you guys the Jamaican expression. He demands, Mama, can I have one of the Jamaican expression books? So he's gonna find it and read it and tell me what is Jamaican expression for today.
Jamaican expression is Massa good.
Massa God.
Massa God.
You know what is Massa God?
Mercy.
Massa God. Him say Massa God.
Papa guess.
Hmm?
Father God is.
Papa guess.
So
That's it.
That's it.
Yes. Father God.
It's
God.
God.
It's Father God.
Father God.
It's talking about God.
It's
Read
it.
what's under it.
It means my good,
My God.
but it's a
Ma-
O.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
God,
one O in
G-O-D.
English is God.
My God, Massa, good,
God.
God, Nash, let my dung,
Massa God now let me down.
the
Continue reading.
dung will not let me down.
Right. God will not let me down.
God. You
Want to
happy?
give another one? Give
Yes.
another one.
Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy.
Yes.
You know who's a sugar daddy?
That sounds erotic.
Is so that?
Erotic.
Erotic?
Papa, guess what?
Sugar daddy. Sugar or sugar? Sugar.
Sugar.
Sugar daddy.
Yes.
Mm.
So you guess.
The Santa Claus?
No.
No.
That means a rich older man.
A rich older man. Right. That only give you money for likes and wants.
The French expression.
Sit up.
So this French expression is roi. What roi mean?
What?
You guess. What roi mean? You
Roi?
guess.
Roi. Le
Yes.
roi. C'est le roi. Je suis le roi.
Do you guess what it means?
C'est qui le roi?
Mama, you guess what it means?
You really don't know that?
The word sound familiar like Roi Merlin.
Le roi.
Le space roi. Un roi.
Spell the last word.
R-O-I. Roi.
The
Un roi, le roi. Haven't you knew that?
king.
Yeah.
Alright, say night night.
Night night.
Come.
Sorry.
Say night night.
Night, 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 night,
Your
night,
sister's
night, night, night,
sleeping.
night, night.
We are gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and tomorrow we'll show you the things that we got at Primark. See you guys.